Well, welcome back to the channel. Today it's going to be my first time surf fishing up here in Alaska, so we're going to go out and see if we can't catch a little halibut, also referred to as a chicken. We're going to run down the peninsula a little ways to an area called Clam Gulch and go out there, and a friend of mine, and we'll send them out there and see what we can catch. So join along, we'll have an adventure and maybe catch something. God bless. Four-wheel drive only. Heading down to the beach. Let's see what the water looks like. I don't think Lily has ever been down to the water. There's some people out there already. Kind of soft at the beginning. This is pretty good. This is called a Swell Pro. It's a fishing drone. Here's our setup. See the tide's coming in. Got a couple of them already. And he's checking his. Actual lines up. More spikes. Well, we've been here about 4 hours. We've got a few nibbles. Nothing that we've caught so far. Turned out to be a pretty good day. A couple other people on the beach, but haven't seen anyone reel anything in yet. What do you think, Lily? Well, Lily and I are going home now. We didn't catch anything. We had some good time out there. Sitting there socializing and talking. But no fish yet. It's still a little bit early. They're just starting to come in. So maybe we'll get another trip in here soon. And who knows, maybe we can do something. Hope you've enjoyed this. God bless. See you on the next video.